Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's drawing I'm going to be drawing Shadow Mewto from the Pokemon series. This isn't a request video, this is one that I decided I'd like to draw myself. I've been looking at a few images and I've been going through my Pokemon collection that I've done on the YouTube channel, and I haven't done Mew or Mewtwo or Shadow Mewto, so I thought I'd give this one a go. As always, I freehanded this in with pencil and then I used a Faber-Castell fine line permanent marker just to go over the outlines with. And then I'm using Copic markers to do the colouring. There wasn't an awful lot of colour in this, so I'm basically using Cool Grey 7, Cool Grey 3 and I'm using Cool Grey 5 as well for the main bulk of the drawing. And then for Mewtwo's tail, I used a combination of a chrome orange into a golden yellow and then finally into an acid yellow. So that just gave me that blended look towards the end of the tail that you can see as the drawing develops. This drawing only took me about an hour and a half from start to finish. Quite enjoyable. The last colour that I used was a phthalo blue for the eye, and then to get the highlights in certain areas I used a Uniball Signo Broad pen, which is a white ink pen, a pigment pen, which just gives that shine to it. I finished the drawing off by adding a cartoon background, as I've been doing recently in a lot of my drawings. This just places something behind the main character on the page and just brings it forward, brings the character forward. So whenever you're drawing, you can bring things forward or push them back by having certain areas that are behind or in front of the character. So I went for the horns of Mewtwo's head sticking over the border and the feet as well, as you can see now. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. I'm really hoping you're enjoying these. I'm enjoying drawing them. Don't forget to send me your requests in. If you've subscribed to the channel, thank you very much. If not, go and hit the subscribe button and select the notifications icon as well. Here's the final picture with the colours that I used. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.